What do you do when a relative is living in your house and you want them to leave, but they refuse? The answer to this question is the topic of this video. Hello again, everyone. I'm attorney Robert Flesses. If this is your first time here, now would be the best time to subscribe, because when you do subscribe, you'll know where to go to get answers to your legal questions. Well, it's not too often, but people out of the kindness of their heart will allow a relative, like a brother or sister, to come live with them for a short period in their home. Even though they're a relative, many times that arrangement just doesn't work. Maybe the relative doesn't clean up after themselves, doesn't respect your privacy, doesn't share in the cost for food, utilities, or streaming services, or they're just a pain in the you-know-what, and you want them to leave. Well, I get a lot of questions on this, and I've represented people who run into this very situation. Once you've come to your wit's end, you calmly ask them to leave, and the answer is usually no. They're now taking advantage of you and disrespecting you. So how do you deal with this problem? By allowing a relative to occupy your home, you're basically in the position of a landlord. So just like any landlord, if they don't leave after delivering proper notice, you need to evict them using the courts. Even if they're not paying you rent, they're occupying your home without any right to do so. And that's going to be hard because while the eviction is pending, you're still living with them, and the relationship is probably going to get worse. If the relationship does get worse to the level of violence, then before filing an eviction, you might want to obtain a restraining order against them in civil court. If you file a restraining order and your facts support it, you can have the court order the removal of the relative to protect your safety. The court may find that there's no way that the parties can be physically distanced from each other to allow the living arrangement to continue. If they damage your property pending the eviction, then you need to file a police report to memorialize the behavior and the damage. That would support your application for a restraining order, and that would help you in the event you need to file an eviction. I'm attorney Robert Flesses. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.